To my dearest darling, I choose you, and I will choose you over and over again, without a pause, without a doubt, in a heartbeat. I will keep choosing you. You will forever be my always, until my last breath. Love, your bride, Sha Ed.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand for the entrance of our bride.
I grow old with you, laugh with you, cry with you, and be all yours in body, soul, spirit, till the end of time. I will love you, cherish you, and honor you, and will hold you in the highest regard always. Today, I promise you this for all the days of my life.
Fate brought us together, and our timing has aligned us and shown us the path we are on now. Just when we both were near giving up on finding our true love, we found each other. Committing my life to you is one of the easiest and best decisions of my life. You have showed me what true love can be. You're my dream come true. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. I love you.
As a minister of the Word of God in the state of Missouri, I now pronounce you husband and wife. So Ed, I'll step aside and you may kiss your bride.
I couldn't have picked a better sister and a friend. And now that we are all older, I can finally admit how happy I am to have grown up with such a sister like you. And to Ed, I do know that you'll be a great husband to my sister. And as what the saying goes, keep your wife happy, because a happy wife, a happy life.
We are so excited from the Kilroys to be welcoming Sha to our family. We are so happy that you guys met each other. Seeing Ed this happy makes me incredibly happy. I look forward to seeing more and more of you guys, and I hope you guys spend the rest of your lives enjoying each other's company, traveling, enjoying your games and pink and all those other fun things. So thank you, Sha, for coming to our family, and I wish you all the best.